Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this little vlog where Mum and I are staying in a tiny house. We are currently near Tauranga or Mount Maunganui, which is in Bay of Plenty, but we're in a little bit of a rural area. So I'm just sitting outside having a coffee, listening to the birds. You might be able to hear them, but it's such a beautiful day right now. And we're going to go climb the mount and get brunch and all that good stuff, so you'll see how we get on, but yeah. We just got back from walking up the mount, had a lovely brunch. I will insert a photo here. It was so good. I had like creamy mushrooms on toast. It was to die for. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you the little Airbnb. So this is the entrance, little table outside. I'm just there. It's a lovely bed, couch, all our stuff on the ground. They don't really have a kitchen because they're not allowed by the council rules, but they just got a kettle, a little microwave, and some other bits and pieces. This is the TV, Hello Me, and the fridge. And I've got a few bits in there. And a little bathroom, you know. Nothing too crazy. And yeah, it's just on such a nice property. I'm in bed now. I am literally so tired. We went to the waterfalls as you saw, then we ended up at the beach for a couple of hours. I literally had a nap on the beach because I was so tired, and then we went for dinner at that beer place, and then my friend came and we just like caught up and ended up going to another place for one more drink later in the evening, and finally got home just a little while ago. But yeah, I will see you in the morning. Good morning everyone. Welcome to the second morning. Just having a little breakfast, got myself some orange juice cereal. Another beautiful day out here. I think we're just gonna go berry picking today, and I think we might end up going to the beach again, but yeah. So I made it to the blueberry orchard. It took a while to find and we had to drive out a bit. But yeah, this is all of the blueberry plants. I'm gonna pick some blueberries and yeah, sun screened up, sun safety because it is 29 degrees right now. Very hot, but yeah.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, I just realized I forgot to film an outro for this video, so I just thought I would jump on here and say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog of Tauranga and the Mount, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'd love to have you here as part of the channel. And as always, travel smarter, not harder, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!